Are you experiencing an issue where your iPhone apps are crashing unexpectedly and you're frustrated by this problem? Well, you came to the right place, because in this video, you'll learn 4 different solutions for this problem. And by the end of this video, your apps shouldn't crash anymore. But before we start with method number 1, if you're new to the channel, please make sure you subscribe for more similar tutorials like this one. It would really help out our channel. So the first thing that you want to do is to check if you're running the latest software update on your iPhone. In order to do that, you'll want to open your settings. After that, click on this General section, and then open the Software Update option, which should be the second button from the top. You want to check if it says that your iPhone is up to date. At the time of recording this video, the latest update from Apple is iOS 18.1, so just make sure that you install the latest software update in order to resolve those bugs and get performance improvements. And hopefully, after updating your iOS version, the apps won't crash anymore. Another thing which you can do is to update your apps regularly through the App Store. Let's say I have a problem with my Instagram application and it's crashing when I try to open it. So I'll hop over to my App Store and then search for Instagram in here. Once I open Instagram in the App Store, you'll want to check out if it has this little update option. And if it does, just tap on this button and wait a couple of minutes for the Instagram application to update to the latest version. But if you just have an open button, that means that your app is updated to the latest version. So that's not the problem. Maybe your application has a bug or some corrupted data files which you've downloaded, or maybe someone sent to you, and those files are causing the application to crash or not open at all. Well, the third method on solving this issue is to open the settings once again. Go over to the General section and then find the iPhone storage option. This will open a list of all the different applications which are installed on your iPhone. And for example, let's say TikTok is crashing for me when I try and open it. I will tap on TikTok, which will then get me to this page. You want to tap on this offload app, and what this will do is it will refresh your application. It will get rid of the cache files and all of those corrupted files which your application may have, which are causing the issue in the first place. Don't worry, it won't log you out of any application. It will just get rid of the data which you don't need. And then after your app offloads, click on Reinstall. The phone will then install the latest version of the app from the App Store, and it will force update your app. And as I said before, both of these steps will not log you out of your accounts, so don't worry about that. When the app finishes reinstalling, just try and open it to see if this fixes your issue. If this still didn't work, I have one more solution for you, which is restarting the background app refresh. In order to do that, open the Settings app for the last time, and then open General once again. Scroll a little bit down until we can see the background app refresh option, and then open it. And now just disable the toggle for every application on this list, and then enable it once again. So turn everything off and then wait a couple of seconds and just turn it on once again. This will restart the background processes, and maybe it will solve the problem where your apps are crashing. Also, you can try and restart your phone completely. Sometimes that will help too. If you have any questions or maybe some other solutions to this problem, then please make sure you leave them in the comments down below so we can help more people. But that's about it for this video, everyone.
Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.